Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding the biggest memory users. Open Task Manager right now, sort by memory, and note the top 3 processes. Once done, disable non-essential startup apps in the Startup tab so they stop allocating RAM on boot. Make sure to install pending Windows updates and restart. Updates can patch memory leaks. If a process is unknown, right-click and open File Location to identify it before ending it. Be cautious with system-labeled items. Next, you attack persistent usage by scanning for malware. Run your full antivirus and a secondary scanner to remove hidden processes that leak RAM. Then, go to Settings and limit background apps so only essential programs can run. This reduces background memory allocation. Also update critical drivers. Graphics and chipset drivers often fix leaks. Make sure you use the manufacturer's driver packages rather than generic ones. Once updates complete, reboot and recheck Task Manager to confirm improvement. Finally, optimize virtual memory. Open Performance Options, set a custom page file size, initial equals 1 times RAM, maximum equals 3 times RAM, then restart so Windows can reallocate. If high usage remains, run the Windows memory diagnostic to check RAM modules, then perform a clean boot to isolate a problematic service or app. Make sure to test after each change so you know what fixed it. If nothing helps, restore to a recent restore point or reinstall suspect drivers or apps to eliminate persistent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.